You know, some sequences are really beautiful and have so much structure that we can actually predict future terms in the sequence. Let's take a look at some examples and see if we can see this kind of fantastic property. So an arithmetic sequence is just a sequence where there's a fixed constant first difference between the terms. So that is to say that this minus that will always be the same as this minus that, and so forth. Let's see if this is an arithmetic sequence. Well, 2 minus negative 1 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. In fact, we see the pattern. This is actually an example of an arithmetic sequence, and we see that the constant difference is actually 3. If you could actually now predict the next term, because we take 11 and we'd add 3 and we'd see 14. So once we know something is an arithmetic sequence, we can actually use that fact to predict the future terms. So that's a nice little sequence. How about this one? Well, let's take a look at the first differences and see if they're constant. So I have 9 minus 7, that's 2. 13 minus 9 is 4. Well, right there I can stop and see that, in fact, this is not going to work out too well. This is not going to be an arithmetic sequence because this difference is 2, this difference is 4. It's certainly not constant. We can keep going. 19 minus 13 is 6. And you can say, there's no hope. This is definitely not an arithmetic sequence.